Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1624, that is largest substring between two equally characters, and in this we are given a string s and we have to return the length of the longest substring between two equal characters excluding that two characters, and if there is no such substring we have to return -1. And I hope everyone knows that what a substring is. In the first example we are given input as double a, and as you can see that there is no character between these two a's, or no other character than a's in the between these two a's, so the output is 0. But in the next example we are having b and c, so the output comes out to be 1. But in the third example we are not having any repeated character, so the output is -1. Okay, so what we will be doing, we'll be using a map data structure to store the indices for each of the character. Map comma character dot integer, and let's call it map, that is equal to new hash map. Hash map. And then what we'll be doing, let's have a variable max and we can initialize it with -1. Okay, so now let's travel in the string that for int I equal to 0, I less than is not length I plus plus, and then what we'll be doing, we'll be checking, let's have a char c is equal to s dot char at I. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be checking that if map dot contains key ch, so then we'll be updating our max variable as max will be equal to max dot max comma map dot get ch, sorry, I minus, because we have to subtract it from the current index, I minus map dot get ch -1. And we have to subtract -1 because we have to exclude the length of these two characters. Okay, and I is the current index. So how this code works, firstly it will be putting a and 0 in the map, and then after reversing it will find that a is already present in the map at this index, that is 3. So what it will be doing, it will be just checking that if the key is already present in the map, so it will be checking the first occurrence of that particular alphabet and subtracting it this index for that, and then subtracting 1 from it, because we don't have to include that those two characters. Okay, and here if the map doesn't contain, then what we have to do, map dot put ch comma I, because we always have to put the first occurrence in the map, first occurrence of every character in the map, like the particular index. Okay, so at the end what we'll be doing, we'll be returning max. Okay, so now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so yeah, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.